Hello friend, my name is Andrew Versailles. Today I'm going to teach you how to install PHP on Windows 10. The first thing we're going to do is hit the Windows key and type CMD and then open up the command prompt. And then here we're going to type PHP-V. You can see we get an error. PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that's because we haven't installed it yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. What we want to do first is decide where we're going to install PHP. It doesn't matter really where you install it, you just want to make a note of it because we'll need the location path later. So what I like to do is I go into my user folder, and in there I have a directory called apps, and inside of there I have several different apps, one of which is PHP. And here you can see several different versions of PHP. For this video we're going to install the newest one, which is PHP 7.4. So I'll create a new folder for that, and then I'll go inside that folder. Next we'll open up a web browser. We'll search for PHP downloads. And then if you go to this first result here at php.net, there should be a link here for Windows downloads. Click on that. Alright, so here we have PHP 7.4, that's the newest one. And we want to get the 64-bit non-thread safe version. So we can download the zip of that. We'll just wait for this to finish downloading. It shouldn't take very long. Alright, so that completed. So now we can see it here in our downloads folder. Next thing we need to do is extract this. So we'll extract the zip file here. And then we want to open up and copy all these contents and paste them into our directory that we set up earlier. Alright, and once that's done, we need to copy the directory path and then hit our Windows key and type path and hit enter here where you see edit the system environment variables. And the window that opens up, go to environment variables. Under system variables, highlight path and click edit. In the window that opens up, click new. Paste our path, and then we hit OK, and OK, and one more time we'll hit OK, and hit our Windows key and type CMD again to open up the command prompt, and now we'll type PHP space -V, and there you can see we have PHP 7.4.5 installed on Windows 10. That's all it takes. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please comment on this video, and I'll do my best to help you. And if you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.